3. Best car insurance in the Netherlands. Choosing car insurance in the Netherlands sounds simple until two quotes look close and only one still makes sense when you check the coverage type, the claim rules, and how your no-claim years affect the premium. That is where a lot of people get trapped by the wrong cheap option. In the Dutch market, the real comparison is not just price. It is also whether you need basic WA, WA Plus, or all risk, and whether the policy still feels smart once the fine print starts to matter. And that is the detail we are holding until the end, because the strongest option here is not the one that only looks good in the first 30 seconds. What makes a policy worth it? For a broad ranking like this, the most useful filter is real-world balance. A strong Dutch car insurer should offer solid conditions, practical claim support, and pricing that still makes sense once your age, car, and driving history are taken into account. That matters even more in the Netherlands because one insurer can look cheaper at first, then feel worse once you compare claim-free years, repair conditions, and which coverage level actually fits the age of your car. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Number 3. Allianz Direct. Allianz Direct takes the third spot because it often appeals to drivers who want a more digital-first experience without losing competitive value. Its own Dutch site highlights simpler online management, round-the-clock claims reporting, and repairs through its partner network with added guarantees. It also helps that Allianz Direct's WA policy was highlighted on its site as winning the Independent Award Auto 2025 for price quality value. That makes it a strong option for people who want a fast, more straightforward insurer rather than a more traditional feeling setup. The reason it stays at number 3 is the same reason some people will still love it. It feels efficient, but the next two options usually feel a little stronger once you look beyond speed and think about long-term fit. Number 2. Central Beheer. Central Beheer moves into second because it tends to feel stronger in practical protection. Consumentenbond's October 2025 comparison gave its WA policy a high test score, and Central Beheer's own car insurance pages put real emphasis on purchase value and new value arrangements plus roadside help abroad. That matters more than it sounds. If you care about what happens after the quote, especially with a newer or recently purchased car, those protections make the policy feel more substantial in real life. Why is it not first? Because for a broad audience, the top pick does one thing a little better. It combines strong conditions with a setup that often feels more consistently attractive across different coverage types. Number 1. Insured. Insured takes the top spot because it keeps showing up where it matters most. Consumentenbond named it best in test for WA in all risk and tied it at the top for limited casco. That kind of consistency is hard to ignore. It also gets a lift from details that matter in the Dutch market, like being seen as more friendly for younger drivers and allowing claim-free years to stay valid longer than many competitors. For drivers trying to balance price, conditions, and future flexibility, that is a very strong combination, and that closes the loop from the start. The best Dutch car insurance is not the one with the flashiest first premium. It is the one that still feels right when your car's age, your no-claim history, and the real coverage level all line up. That is why Insured lands first here. The policy that still makes sense later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Insured is the strongest all-around option, Central Beheer is the one to watch for practical protection, and Allianz Direct still makes a lot of sense if you want speed and digital convenience. The smartest move is not chasing the lowest monthly number alone. It is comparing the same coverage level, the same deductibles, and the same claim-free history side by side. That is usually where the best car insurance in the Netherlands finally reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.